Guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to merge playlists on Spotify Android. It's simple technique. First of all, you need to understand that in Spotify app there is no option to merge your playlist. So you have to visit the Google Chrome. Here you can simply type playlist merger, open up the first result, then wait for a while. Simply press and connect with Spotify. Alright, simply select your playlist you want to merge. Alright, simply do you want to combine them into a playlist? Simply open that and press on next. Give the new name. Okay, whatever you want to give the name, it will be done. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.